You may be somewhat aware by now that we are facing a global crisis, the COVID-19 pandemic. In an age of lockdowns and increased regulations on public freedoms, wearing a face mask has become the new normal. The science doesn't lie. Face masks are proven to impede the spread of coronavirus, but is every mask as effective as one another? Thousands of doctors and scientists around the globe are using their collective knowledge to design some next-level face masks, 5 of which we will be discussing today. If you're interested in any of the products featured, make sure to check the description, as we'll be leaving links to each of them down there. And please, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying our Brainstorm content. Number 5. Aus Air. Aus Air is the world's first filtration mask with unique botanical benefits. The design was created by 2 brothers, Elias and Isaac Honor, along with their lifelong friend Jack Graham. The mask makes the list for its incredible filtration capability. It blocks particles as small as 0.1 micron from penetrating the mask and has an average efficiency of 99.5%. These numbers don't mean much to you by themselves, just know that this mask is very good at its job. The cloth part of the mask and the filter itself are 2 different components, meaning you can replace the filter as often as you like. The mask is made from a flexible, durable polyurethane material, which offers unmatched comfort and has been tested to hold its shape for up to 100 washes. The twin marine grade 316 stainless steel valves provide a supreme breathing experience and are situated in such a way which abates the build-up of hot air. The memory foam nose molds to the unique contours of your face and provides a seamless fit, minimizing the potential for unwanted particles to slip in through the sides of your mask. Aus Air's filter range embeds botanicals sourced from Australian farms, which offer subtle floral scents and other botanical benefits, where each filter harnesses the naturally evolved properties of the embedded botanical. Number 4. Civility. Civility is a lightweight, adjustable mask with a transparent front, designed with a focus on allowing people to see, share, and experience their emotions once again with one another. Civility is constructed from a thermoplastic elastomer, which allows it to create a comfortable, airtight seal for any face shape. It comes with 2 exterior valves, each containing a replaceable bacterial filter, which is up to 98% effective at keeping unwanted particulates as small as 0.3 microns from penetrating your mask. The filters combine excellent breathability with optimal filtration capability and are effective for up to 12 hours continuously while being easy to replace on the go. One often overlooked feature of this mask is its compatibility with glasses and Face ID. I'm sure a lot of you have struggled with either your glasses fogging up as soon as you put on your mask, or not being able to see your messages because Face ID isn't working. The unique design of Civility makes both of these problems a thing of the past. Number 3. ATMOBLUE. ATMOBLUE is the world's most compact air purification system and uses industrial-grade air filtration systems with replaceable filters that block 99.7% of air particles. ATMOBLUE's unparalleled breathing experience utilizes many of the cutting-edge technologies commonly found in high-end air purifiers, but offers the added benefits of portability, comfort, and style. ATMOBLUE's unique filters are made up of meticulous folds compressing a flat surface area of 29.5 inches squared into 2 compact filter blocks which slide right into your mask and have an average lifespan of 150 hours. The H13 HEPA filters use melt-blown, non-woven fabrics to prevent particulates as small as 0.3 microns from penetrating them. Designed for the most extreme conditions, multiple airflow settings allow users to switch between light mode, intended for use such as when sitting idle on public transport, all the way up to ultra, which is more applicable when jogging through the middle of a crowded city centre. Depending on which settings you use, your ATMOBLUE will continuously run for 3 to 5 hours, with the indicator light on the front turning red when the power is getting low. Simply plug into any USB port to recharge. All ATMOBLUE masks use ATMOBLUE's dedicated app as standard, which provides surrounding air purity information, tracks personal metrics, and allows users to switch between different fan settings. Number 2. CLIU. CLIU is another see-through reusable face mask designed in Italy to break down the barriers to expression, communication and empathy. It is especially effective for those with hearing deficiencies, as it allows them a full view of a person's mouth to better understand what they're saying through the transfer of facial expressions and techniques such as lip reading. CLIU uses an activated carbon filter, which makes for easy breathing while retaining PM25 particles, all with full environmental sustainability. CLIU has many convenient features, like a dedicated mask app, Find My Mask capability, and a built-in microphone with Bluetooth connectivity. CLIU of course uses battery power to enable these features, and comes with a unique UV-enabled charging station, which sterilizes your CLIU upon docking, and charges it to full capacity in less than an hour. CLIU is designed for long-term usage, but is built with sustainable materials that are widely recycled once it reaches the end of its lifespan. CLIU's app keeps you informed about the purity of the surrounding air and lets you know if there have been any COVID outbreaks nearby. It also shows the consumption status of the filters, and the built-in accelerometer gives you real-time data updates on your health. Number 1. Razer's Project Hazel. My personal favourite of the 5, Razer's Project Hazel is the renowned gaming company's contribution to living within this new normal, and claims Project Hazel is the world's smartest face mask. The mask is classified as surgical N95 respirator, which provides a high fluid resistance and protects against droplets and splashes. The active ventilation continuously moves cool air in and hot air out, which, as well as making the mask more comfortable, prevents the buildup of CO2 within. Like others on this list, Hazel puts an emphasis on improving social interaction and making speech clearer. Aside from the clear front panel, which allows for easier reading of lips and facial cues, Hazel comes with patent-pending Razer voice amp technology, which ensures your speech isn't muffled by amplifying your voice from within the mask. The design is scratch-resistant, waterproof, and made from sustainable materials. The silicone guard at the top of the mask sits comfortably around your face and provides a near-perfect airtight seal, while preventing your mouth from touching any part of the mask and allowing for natural talking. Please let us know down below which mask is your favourite, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Brainstorm content.